Hi everybody, it's Zen the Crypto Queen. I have a Facebook page of the same name, and on Twitter it's XRP Crypto Queen. And today I wanted to talk about I never talk about Bitcoin because, I do hold some Bitcoin, but mostly I keep altcoins these days. Okay, at one point I had 32 different coins, and it just got to be too much to track all the time. And I'm not a trader. I'm learning now though. And I learned my lesson with staking with Celsius, but we won't go there right now. But I wanted to talk about, fear, uncertainty, and doubt, better known as FUD, right? And look at what this says here. Tons of fear in the markets, just buy and hold. Simple. What have I always said? Don't put more than 5% of your net worth in crypto, unless you're crazy or risky, kind of like me. You can go 10 to 20% if you want to. But buy and hold, and I learned that through staking. And now, Celsius is in chapter 7 or 11 or whatever they're in, and who knows if I'll ever see that money, right? And then, stuff like that happens, and I have lost money along the way, and I'm not willing to lose any more. I keep very little on exchanges. The only exception that I keep any amount is on UPHOLD, and you have to only keep what you're willing to lose there. And it's not a lot. I think I told everybody in a few other videos that I'm gathering together 1,000 XRP, which at 39 cents is not a lot of money, but I'm going to keep it on there because I have an UPHOLD card, right? But okay, back to Bitcoin. Let's just talk about this. Okay, buy low, sell high. That basic thing. Reverse that psychology. I thought that was a funny statement because it's simple. People were so eager to buy into crypto 2 weeks ago. Now they're eager to sell their crypto. Well, it's going to go up and down. And that's just the way it is. Unless you learn how to trade, buying and holding is the way to go. So, I'll give you a short story and just buy and hold, okay? Because everything turns around at some point. And whether you choose Bitcoin, this is not financial advice. I just share what I do. I've had a little bit of Bitcoin for a long time. Some of my Bitcoin and is in Celsius, so I'm not even going to think about it or talk about that number. I'm just done. Okay, but if you're going to do this deal with kind of a volatile market to begin with, and so is the stock market. Let's face it. But a lot of people get involved in that, and they only go for the higher type of, what would you call them, blue chip stocks or something, right? Or you go for EFTs or, whatever, mutual funds, whatever it is that you do, okay? No, not taking calls right now. So I'm just saying, there's a lot of fear, and people get even more fearful when they're busy buying low, selling high, and then things dip again, and you're not trading, you're not staking, and you're just freaking out. Well, you have to know your own risk assessment for yourself. Like, are you a risky individual when it comes to, tracking things like this? Like, I don't, I was talking to somebody on the phone the other day. I had a one-on-one session. By the way, if you want one, you can email me at zendevon@gmail.com. Please put crypto in all uppercase letters in the subject line. I get a lot of email. But what was I saying? That we were talking about, the things that I feel are very volatile. I know in this industry, once this SEC lawsuit is kind of locked up with XRP, it's going to have some regulation out there, right? So there's thousands of coins on CoinMarketCap, and I do not check every day. Are you kidding? No. That's a good way to freak yourself right the hell out, okay? No. So, and people do it for the stock market. Nope. No, I don't. I have things set on alerts within CoinMarketCap. So you might want to do that. Put something on a watch list and put the parameters. If XRP drops to 15 cents, I get an alert. If it goes up more than 10%, I get an alert. So, you could do stuff like that, and that'll pop up on my phone. But if it's staying fairly flat, you don't need to know this every day. You just bought and you hold, right? All right, let's go back here for a second because I wanted to say something. Okay, so the tons of fear. You got people who, have been buying Bitcoin, and some people are called whales. That's people who buy like a shit ton of any product, right? But I think after this SEC lawsuit wraps, it's going to be a shakedown, okay? All of those coins that are on, that's why I went over here. I wanted to show you this. I get so sidetracked, my God. Anybody else have ADHD? Okay, so anyway, yeah, my daughter told me I have it, and I'm like, all right, you know, I'm an adult. I guess I'll just have to deal. All right, this isn't even a lot. Let's keep going. 75. I think there's probably thousands of coins. Yeah, look at how many pages, all right? Let's go to page 91. Hilarious. Yeah, 9,000 coins. Seriously? Get out. Oh my God. Let's go to 87, see if I recognize any of the names, okay? Loot token. Nope. Human. That's interesting. Cardano gold. Maybe. Okay. Okay. All right. No. I know there are some gaming ones coming out. I do have a little bit of meta and all that kind of stuff, but you know, nothing I'm banking on. I bought it and holding it. That's all. And that I keep up on Lobster because there's nowhere to. Ledger does not support a lot of these altcoins. Okay, let's go back to 85. Okay, I'm getting sidetracked now because this is kind of funny. I didn't realize there were 9,000, but let's put it this way. I don't know if Bitcoin's going to make it, but yeah, it's the granddaddy of all crypto. Okay, so yes, it's going to make it on some level. And there are people who throw out predictions that, you know, in several years it'll be at $500,000. I don't know about that. You know, we're just going to have to watch and see. People, and I did a video about it, should be released today or tomorrow, about XRP. There are people predicting that it's going to be in the 100,000 plus range, you know, at some point. Okay, I don't know, but wow, all right. But I think that the top three will obviously be Bitcoin, Ethereum, XRP, and I'm pretty sure XLM and XDC will be in that mix somewhere also. And other utility coins, Cardano, Algorand. There's a few. If you need to know more, hit me up in the comments. I will let you know what they are, and we'll talk about it later. I just wanted to make this quick video to bring you up to date about, you know, Bitcoin going up and down and what you can do to relieve your tons of fear, okay? Pay no attention to CoinMarketCap on the daily. Set up a watch list. Set up alerts. Don't pay attention because it's gonna take you sideways. And if you're not, and if you are risk averse, frankly, I don't even know what you're doing with crypto to begin with. But honestly, don't put more money than, you know, you're willing to lose in there, okay? And I gotta tell you, you know, sometimes I look at my Ledger stash, and at one point, you know, I was like smiling from ear to ear. I'm like, this is cool, right? And then it takes a dip, and guess what? It doesn't look so good. But I did it on purpose to buy and hold, and so now I just don't even look at it anymore. I don't look at the total. If I'm moving something over there, I try not to look at the whole portfolio. I just look at whatever coin I'm moving. Did it arrive? Yes, great, bye, and I shut it down, okay? So that's one way to handle it. You can be like me, be in denial, all right? It's easier. Anyway, I will catch you on the next video. Thanks so much for being with me. I love you all, and peace out.